Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export, Import, Supply Chain and Custom. And in this session, we will understand Assistant Manager Logistic job role and responsibilities. Okay, so locations in Sonipat, Haryana, part of FMCG brand. Okay, so we will understand the job responsibility in this session. So you can see on the screen hiring HM Logistics Sonipat, part top FMCG brand. Experience required for the job is 4 to 10 years. Annual salary of the job is 1 lakh to 6 lakh. Location is Gurgaon, Delhi NCR and New Delhi. Okay, so what is the job responsibility? Because the job is related to the assistant manager. In last session we have understand the job responsibility which is belong to the purchase executive and sourcing and purchase department executive. So the job salary packages was less than this job profile, because here the person willing to work for this profile is assistant manager, so they require the experience of 10 years. Salary will be 6 lakh per year. Okay, so now we start the session. Job role. Okay, so job role is here. Hand-on experience in truck logistic management. Okay, the person who want to willing for this job is need to be experience in the truck movement, truck logistic. Okay, so you know that you have to follow with the transporters. Okay, and for the dispatching the goods, you contact with the transporter and arrange the empty trucks at the factory, and truck is not arriving right time at factory, then contact with the transporter. Okay, so this is the part of supply chain management where you are the integrated with the process of uh, warehouse to custom, and you can understand the internally warehouse goods movements are to be movemented transferred from one place to another. So the experience required for the truck logistic management. Now exposure in modern trade in FMCG is must. Okay, the experience required for the modern trade FMCG. You know that modern trade FMCG advanced system in which customer can order online and the order will reflect in the manufacturing unit, and they provide and get ready goods for the dispatch. Okay, and as per timeline they will deliver the good to the customer. So experience required for the modern trade means the currently the advanced technologies and software are working, the experience of required for the same. Exposure of pan India operations. So here the job is for a particular requirement. Person have a experience of the pan India operations, like a person have to handle the all operations which is related to the uh, uh, working operations and manufacturing is process. Manufacturing is spreaded all over the India in different locations. Okay, so also the person who want to join this job require the experience of the pan India operations means he need the exposure of the handling the operations from head office of the all units. Now we will discuss the next one. Exposure of dealing with the transportation. transporters, truck operators, and directly is a must. Okay, exposure of dealing with transporter and truck operation experience is required for this job. If the person who not have experience regarding transporter and truck operators, then you will person is not fit for this requirement. Now, next one is experience in SAP. The person who want to be a part of the job, they need the experience in SAP. Okay, e-way bill, e-invoicing, and TSC is a must. Okay, TCS is must. So person who have this experience working in the SAP, just like or placing order in the SAP, transport movement, Migo, Miro, okay, can be apply for this post, and also need to be prepare the e-way bill while dispatching goods from one place to another. The value of the goods is more than 50,000, then e-way bill required. Okay, you 50,000 or 25,000 is whatever. You have to check out then understand. But e-way bill is required for the movement of goods. Okay. Now in e-invoicing is also required. And TCS is must. Okay, so this exposure is required for this profile. Exposure to VMS, warehouse management system. Okay, so exposure in a warehouse management system is also required. Just like a operations of the warehouse management need to understand how you can manage the operation of the warehouse. So in inward entry and outward entry need to be updated as per the movement of good. Because nowadays you have to understand that very advanced systems are available. You can just uh, buy only the barcode mentioned on the truck seal. This after scanning the seal, the automatically system will update the inward material, and when the goods are going outside from the factory, then scanning seal will update automatically the dispatch good list in the system. Okay, so now there is no need to update manually, but need to scan. Okay, this RFID seal. Digital working environments. So this just we discussing this is also the digital working environment part, because that you are the manually activities are not uh, part of this activity. Okay, so slowly gradually you know you can understand the digital working environment is coming and manually working environment is going. Okay, now transporter rate negotiation. So transporter rate negotiation is also the important, and we have seen that in previous session that we have taken our we need to take the RFQ from the different suppliers. So in the same way here you need to take the RFQ from the transporters. Nowadays freight transporter software is also available. So only you have to share your requirement on that particular software, and transporter will provide you best prices. So through bidding system you will get the competitive rate through that freight software. Now cost optimization is a must. Cost optimization means reducing the cost of transportation, reducing the cost of movement, reducing the cost of storage in warehouse. Okay, by giving best services and competitive prices, you can optimize the cost in the system. Okay, so these things are very important for this job profile. So guys, thank you for watching the session. We will understand the next session of this module of assistant manager of the logistics. So guys, thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.